Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the exact columns to hide. This determines what stays visible and what you protect from view. Click the first column header, then drag or Control plus click additional headers for non-adjacent selection. Once done, use Shift plus Space as an alternative to select the active column fast. Make sure selection includes every column you want hidden because Excel hides whole columns, not parts of them, and that prevents accidental exposure of sensitive data when you move on to the next steps. With columns selected, hide them via right-click and choose Hide, which is explicit and reversible. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus 0 for a fast keyboard solution. Note some systems require enabling that shortcut. If you prefer the ribbon, go to Home right arrow Format right arrow Hide and unhide right arrow Hide columns. This ensures consistency when sharing instructions. Make sure to save after hiding so the view persists. Hiding only affects presentation, not formulas or cell values, which remain intact behind the scenes. To reverse, select adjacent columns surrounding hidden ones and choose Unhide, because Excel needs a visible anchor to reveal the hidden range. Once done, confirm formulas reference restored cells correctly and save a backup if needed. If Unhide is grayed out or Control plus 0 doesn't work, make sure Worksheet Protection is off and Windows or Excel hasn't disabled that shortcut. Check options Right Arrow Advanced or your OS keyboard settings. This single troubleshooting check solves most hiding problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.